Hello everyone, my name is Samir. Today we're going to be unboxing the 0 Acre cultured oil. Precision fermentation oil. This is one of them. This one's made from, I think, fermented sugarcane oil. There's another type of precision fermentation oil that's made from algae. The Algae Cooking Club. Y'all can see there's a nice green box here. I've been waiting on this for a while. Took a while to ship, but I've been excited to see what this new oil is all about. Oil that is around, I think they said 93 or 95% monounsaturated fatty acid, and I confirmed that the main monounsaturated fatty acid was actually oleic acid, which is the same oil that is in olive oil. So there's no trans fats in here, and it's very low in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Really looking forward to using this. We have glyphosate free. This bottle looks really nice too. It feels very good. And MUFAs aren't really prone to oxidation, but it's good that they have a dark bottle. But this feels like really well made. I guess I'm gonna smell it. Maybe I can open it up and give it a smell. Literally nothing. Yeah, if you could have told me there was water in here, I would have believed you. Let's have another party give it a smell, just so you can have some third-party verification. There's no smell right at all. Yeah. So yeah, this is the first part of the 0 Acre Farms unboxing video. I'm gonna make some mayo with this, and I'll take you guys along with me. You can see my recipe too. Alright guys, so just gonna make a quick mayo with this new 0 Acre cultured oil. I got a go soon. I have an exam to do, but we've tried making it with olive oil before in the past, but the olive oil just is too strong. It's too potent, too rich. The flavors in olive oil, and that's actually how you know if it's a good olive oil, is when you take a shot of it or you eat it, it hits the back of your throat. So when we use olive oil, it's too strong. So I've been really looking forward to this. We're gonna make a quick little mayonnaise right now. I have my stick blender, hand blender, whatever you want to call it, ready. It's working right now. Yep. And got an egg, and let's just start. We're gonna go 1 whole cup of this oil. I'm not even sure how many cups are in here. 16 ounces. How many cups are in that? 2. Okay, so let's see. So there we go. We got 1 whole cup. And be really careful with this. I don't want to waste any of this because we just used literally half the whole bottle now. Okay. Maybe I'll use the rest of the residual in here for some eggs or something later. Half of a lemon. 1 tablespoon of some Dijon mustard. Egg. That was a terrible crack. That's what happens when you have good eggs. The shell is hard. That's how you know if your eggs are good, by the way. Okay. Just gonna wash my hands. I think that should be it. Maybe I'll add a pinch of salt too. But we should probably just mix it first though, just to see, so I don't add anything unnecessarily, right? Let's see what happens with this. Hopefully this makes mayo. Looks like mayo. Looks like mayo for sure. Awesome. That is amazing. Let's try some out. Wow. Tastes like the most mayo I've ever had. That oil is very neutral. Cannot even taste it. I am gonna add a little bit of salt in here, make this a little bit more flavorful, so it can be used as a topping. That is amazing. That is actually really good, guys. I'm just gonna literally add a pinch of salt. I think that's all it needs, maybe a little bit more. And I'm gonna add some pepper too. Some black pepper. This is right here. This is freshly ground. We grind this every week or two. And that should be enough. I don't want to add too much flavor to this. Keep it neutral. But I'm gonna mix that up again one more time. And that's it, guys. Really. That's mayo. Let's get a third-party verification. How's that? It's mayo, right? Yeah. Amazing. Nice and thick. Very good consistency. I'll assume that it'll thicken up a little bit maybe in the fridge. But even right now, I mean, I could put that on a sandwich or anything I'm making pretty well, pretty nicely. So I think that was a success, guys. Thank you, Zero Acre Cultured Oil. This is a really good oil. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I'm just saying thank you for making, for Zero Acre making such an amazing product that's low in linoleic acid. You know, we're trying to avoid seed oils out here. And maybe I'll make a video sooner why I think seed oils are bad. I don't think it's necessarily the seed oils. But it's a controversial topic and a topic for a different day. But we made some mayo. 1 cup of cultured oil not wasted, but we used half of the whole bottle to make some mayo. I've been looking forward to this. I'm gonna put some in my tuna later on. I've been craving, haven't had it in a long time, like a nice tuna, Asian tuna with mayo in it. Typically mayo is used in a lot of those recipes. So I'm looking forward to that. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, this is Samir. I'm recording this audio post video. I just wanted to say that the mayo turned out amazing. We just had some tuna salad with it, Asian tuna salad. I put some green onions in it, some spices, some tuna obviously, and it was very good. It did thicken up a little bit as well. It was like scoopable, and it would keep its form, and we used about a quarter of it. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that, and I would really recommend this mayo to anyone. So